So the question we always get from space explorers, young and old, is how do you go to the bathroom in space? In zero gravity, everything floats, including number one and number two. And so we have a toilets where we have basically a hose and a funnel that if you get close enough to it, there's a little bit of suction and it sucks the number one into the tube. That's for men and for women. Don't try it at home because your vacuum at home is not suited for that. But then that water, that urine's collected, and we actually have a urine processor on board the space station where we're actually able to process out the waste particles in the water and turn today's coffee into tomorrow's coffee and reclaim that water. It's about 85% of the water that is used on space is reclaimed. And that's a technology that is exact applications down here on Earth for communities that don't have a whole lot of water. Number two is a different story because we actually have a can. The number two waste is collected, and you lift the lid and you turn on the fan, and it actually draws air in, so there's a little bit of vacuum into the can, and also then takes the odors and puts them through a filter so you don't have to smell the number two. So then, remember, makes their deposit in the can. You then close the lid, and after about a week, the can fills up, and then we put that in storage and wait for a cargo vehicle to be able to put it on. That's going to burn up in the atmosphere and get it off the space station.